Hey, it's Design Guy here, ready to master slick mask effects for your next Canva design? Click the Create button to begin your project. In the search bar, type Poster and select the poster template from the options. Choose the landscape orientation for your design. Once your canvas is ready, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Elements to start adding decorative or functional items. Type Mountain Background into the text field, then press Enter to add it. This will set your project's background description to Mountain Background. Next, use the Generate feature to create a new design or photo. Click the Generate button and the software will automatically produce a fresh design or image based on your selected preferences, helping you quickly explore new creative options. Now that we have our background, let's choose one of these four options. Click on the second image, which looks nice. The selected image will appear here as well. This is how you can easily change your background selection. Select the image you want to edit. Choose the large option for size. Next, use Magic Expand to increase the image area. Click the Edit button, then select Magic Expand. This tool lets you add more space around your image while preserving its quality. Adjust the expansion as needed, then confirm your changes. Magic Expand is useful for background extension or improving image composition seamlessly. You can see several details in this poster. Now, with the image expanded, you're able to observe the finer elements more clearly. Next, we'll move forward to examine and highlight specific areas of interest within this enlarged image for deeper analysis. Go to the Elements tab in your design workspace. In the search bar, type FrameMaker and press Enter. Select the FrameMaker option from the results. Click on it to add it to your design. Wait a few moments for FrameMaker to fully load before proceeding. Use this app to create a map of letters. Next, select this option on the screen, which requires FrameMaker Pro to function. Ensure you have FrameMaker Pro installed before proceeding so you can successfully complete the mapping process. Type your text in the box provided. Enter a word or a few words as needed for your project. For example, type any phrase you want to use. This feature allows you to quickly input text without having to manually write everything each time. By typing your words here, you can streamline your workflow and save time on repetitive tasks. Once your text is entered, you'll be able to move on to the next step efficiently. Use this method whenever you need to input text quickly. To add a form, click the Add button, then select Add to Design. In the menu, choose the Fat style, which works with FrameMaker Pro. This option offers a bold, modern look for your form elements. Once you've selected the style, you can adjust letter spacing for better readability. Find the letter spacing option in the Properties panel and increase the value slightly to add extra space between characters. This small change improves the overall appearance and legibility of your text. When you're satisfied with the spacing, review your form design to ensure everything looks good. Position the mockup image for your backup text by clicking to the side to create space. Now, let's add an image to this section. Locate your desired image and duplicate the background image layer to preserve the original. After duplicating, drag the copy into your workspace where you want the new image to appear. This allows you to adjust and align the duplicated image as needed without affecting your initial setup. Use this method whenever you want to insert additional images while keeping your original design intact. To resize and fit the text to match your text design page, start by selecting the text object. Use the mouse to drag the corners and adjust the size until it matches your design page exactly. Ensure the proportions are maintained for a perfect fit by holding the Shift key while resizing if necessary. Carefully align the text with the design page edges so that the size is 100% similar. Double check that every side lines up perfectly for the best result. Achieving an exact match at this stage ensures your final design looks polished and professional, preparing it for the next steps in your workflow. Click it to confirm your selection, then choose Done to save your changes. This will apply the settings you configured and complete the process. Make sure everything looks correct before finishing by clicking Done. Since the text is already blended, we no longer need to adjust it further. Next, click and drag the text layer to reposition it as needed. Once your text is in place, you can start enhancing your design. Select the text layer again and open the Effects panel. Browse through the available options and choose an effect to apply. This will help your text stand out and look more polished. First, navigate to your next page. Once you're on the correct page, click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the Download window, choose PNG as your file type to ensure high image quality. To maintain a clear background, check the option labeled Transparent Background before proceeding. Next, select the specific page you want to save by clicking on it within the page selection area. Make sure only your desired page is checked. Double-check that Transparent Background remains selected to avoid any unwanted backgrounds in your final download. After confirming all your settings, click the Done button. Finally, hit Download to save your PNG file with the transparency enabled just for. After downloading the file, delete the placeholder text by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. Next, locate your newly downloaded image on your computer. Click and drag the image directly into the project workspace. Position the image where you want it to appear. To resize the image, click on it to reveal the corner handles. Click and drag one of the corners inward or outward while holding the Shift key to maintain the aspect ratio. Adjust the size until the image fits your desired space within the layout. After resizing, release the mouse button and the Shift key. Make any final adjustments by dragging the image into the exact position you want. Now the new image has replaced. Click the Edit button to customize the image. To add shadows, select the Shadow option and adjust the settings as needed. Next, navigate to the Outline section and choose Add Outline. Here, you can select the color and thickness for your outline. Let's try using a white outline for better contrast. Adjust the outline size to your preference, and review the image to confirm the changes look the way you want. Set the status to offline, then change the color to white. Next, select the image and drag it downward to reposition it in the layout. Make sure the image is placed where you want it. This helps organize your content visually and ensures consistency. Continue adjusting as needed to achieve the desired arrangement within your design or document. You have a design with text and an outline. To duplicate it, select the text layer and press Ctrl+D or use the duplicate option. Move the duplicated text slightly to create separation. Next, apply a 3D text effect to enhance the look. Choose the 3D effect from the Effects menu, adjust the settings as needed, and see the text gain dimension. Now, your text stands out visually. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose to download only page 1. After downloading, you can delete page 2 if you no longer need it in your document. You just learned how to make eye-catching mask effects in Canva. Like and subscribe if you want more easy design tips.